intersection between two lines. As usual, when you want to find intersection between two lines, we solve the simultaneous equation. So to solve that equation, you set the equation equal to one and another, then you can find the value of the lambda and mu. Then the position vector can be determined. Let's now look at this example. We want to find the point of intersection between the two lines. So it's better that we write the vector equation in column form so that when you put them together, so in this equation, easier for you to do comparison between the component I, j, and k. So from here, you can form three equations and you solve them to find the value for mu and lambda. And you must remember that our answer now, either in vector in column form or in ijk, these are position vector. The question is point, so make sure you give your answer in the form of coordinate like this. Now you can take this example and try to answer this when you have time. Yeah. We move on to the next problem. Now look at this example. So you have two lines and we want to explain why the two lines are not parallel and why the two lines did not intersect. Still remember last time when you want to identify whether the two lines are parallel or not, we compare the gradient. Now we don't have the gradient, but we have the direction vector. So we compare these two vectors. If they are parallel, then the vector must be the multiple of another one. Let's say B2 is 2 times of B1 or B2 is 3 times of B1, then they are parallel. But here, now you compare, quite obvious, it is not. So we can make a conclusion that the two direction vector are not parallel, then the line also not parallel. Of course, you can try to solve this equation. Okay, you can try to solve this equation, and then you will notice that there is no solution for m, so it is not parallel. Now, the other part, how to show that the line do not intersect each other. So we let the equation equal to one and another, then you can form three equations here. Solve these three equations. S is 0 by putting s equal to 0 in equation 1 and 2. You have the value of t equal to 3, t equal to 6. Now, t is different now. If t is different, meaning that we cannot solve the equation. Okay, it is not consistent. So when there is no solution, then the line do not intersect each other.